Albert is not a bank itself, but a financial app that provides banking-related services through partner financial institutions. By the end of this video, you'll know what Albert actually is, how its services work, and what to check before deciding if it fits your needs. The biggest thing to understand is that Albert is a financial technology app, not a traditional bank with its own branches and banking license. Apps, like Albert, usually connect users with financial tools, while relying on partner institutions for certain banking services. Albert offers features designed to help users manage money, track spending, and access financial products through the app. The exact features available can depend on your account, eligibility, and current offerings. If you are asking whether your money is held directly by Albert, the answer is no. Financial technology companies often work with partner banks or financial institutions that provide the underlying banking services. This structure is common across many modern money apps. The difference matters because a banking app and a bank are not always the same thing. A bank typically controls the deposit accounts and banking infrastructure, while an app can provide the interface, tools, and user experience. Before using Albert, check the details inside the app about where funds are held, what protections apply, and what fees or requirements come with each feature. These details can change, so reviewing the current terms is the best way to understand your account. Albert can be useful for people who want a simple way to organize their finances and access money management tools from their phone. It may not replace a full-service bank for someone who needs traditional branch access, a wider range of banking products, or more complex financial services. The easiest way to think about Albert is this. It is a financial app that connects users with money tools, but it is not the same as a traditional bank. So is Albert a real bank or just an app in 2026? It is an app that provides financial services through its platform and partners. If you are considering using it, check the specific account terms, understand who provides each service, and compare it with other options before moving your money. The key points are simple. Albert is not a bank. It uses financial partners for certain services, and the features you get depend on your account. If this helped answer your question, like the video, and subscribe for more clear comparisons of banking apps and financial products.